This is Classic Mike of the RC Model Geeks, and we're at the Newtown House Hotel for our indoor flying. It's going to be a great bit of fun because we don't have wind, we don't have rain, and we don't have cold. We're nicely inside, but what we do have, we have smoke, we have lights, we have mirrors, and we have a great bunch of guys. So, here we go.
Well, there we go, guys. Oh, I think I'm fully charged, Mike.
Looks like we're fully charged there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 lights are out.
5 lights are out, ready for going into this Cyber X5C 2.5 gig.
Yeah.
It's not charged.
Is it infrared? That's probably why.
However,
Is it infrared? You've got to
Yeah.
point, you got to point it at it. You weren't pointing it at it.
no, I don't think it's that. It's it is infrared, but it's also it obviously didn't charge.
Yeah, it wants a bit more of a charge in that, mate.
I only want to show you the one feature that is amazing.
Yeah.
It's got a water pistol.
It's got a water pit. Oh, yes, so it has. Excellent.
How cool is that?
Nice one. And here's Kevin. Right, Kevin? And what have you brought tonight?
Little baby vapor
Oh, yeah. Look
and
at
the
that.
Hamley Special.
Excellent. Excellent. Yeah.
Come on, you like that one?
What's this knob do?
I'll give you pleasure.